Today I want to talk video. Now, I'm not a professional videographer, so I cannot give you the tips on the technical elements of video. However, I am a marketer who uses video a lot to communicate with my audience. When you're preparing for your video, firstly you need to know, what is your goal? Why do you want to create this video? Be very clear before you start the process as to who and what you are trying to achieve with it. Be prepared. Make sure you write your script before the day of the shoot so you know what videos you're going to shoot, in what order, and the message or theme for each one. And keep them short. Generally, you don't want to keep them any more than sort of 2 or 3 minutes. However, if it's a how-to video, they might be a little bit longer. Then, of course, consider how you're going to film your video. Are you going to use a videographer? Use an app like Video My Job, WeVideo or VidLab, use an SLR camera, or even maybe a laptop. You need to make sure you have the right equipment before the day. And also, really importantly, think about what you're going to wear. When I film, I usually take 2 or 3 changes of clothes, including jewelry. You don't want to wear the same clothes in every video you shoot. And a good tip is to film in batches. I usually film about 8 videos at a time and then schedule these over a period of time post-filming to share my videos with my audience. And of course, work out a great location, find somewhere relevant to shoot, and don't sit in front of a blank white wall. Boring. Also consider if you need props. Do you need to have a laptop, your products, or other items on hand to refer to as you're shooting your video? So now you're prepared, it's time to get filming.